Today, I'll show you how to add an admin collaborator to your Squarespace website. Whether you're working with a team or just need a second pair of eyes on your site, adding an admin collaborator can make managing your website a lot easier. Let's dive right into the process to get this set up smoothly. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account and access the website you want to share with your collaborator. Once you're in, head over to the main menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several options, but what you want to focus on is navigating to the section labeled Settings. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your site's permissions and ownership. Within the Settings menu, look for the option that reads Permissions and Ownership. Depending on the version of Squarespace you're using, it might simply be labeled System and then Permissions. This section is crucial as it's where you'll control who has access to your site and what they can do once they're in. Once you've accessed the permission section, you'll see a button labeled Invite Contributor. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a form where you'll input the details of the person you want to add. You'll need their name and their email address. Make sure you enter this information carefully as it's how Squarespace will send them their invitation. After you've entered the name and email, it's time to decide on the permissions level for your new collaborator. Since you want to add them as an admin, you'll need to toggle the administrator switch to the on position. This action will grant them full rights to manage and modify the website. So be sure you trust the person you're inviting. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, Squarespace will send an invitation to the email address you've provided. The invited collaborator will need to accept the invitation to gain access. After they accept, they'll have the ability to log in and assist you in managing your site. Remember, adding an admin collaborator gives someone a high level of control over your website. So make sure to choose someone you trust and who understands the responsibilities that come with it. If at any point you want to change their permissions or remove them, you can return to the permission section and adjust their settings as needed. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to add an admin collaborator to your Squarespace website. By following these steps, you can easily expand your team's capabilities and streamline your website management process. Thank you for watching and happy website building.